Hey, look, she's making sandwich to eat. The one on my left.
食咗幾大飲白飯俾佢食，頭先又食咗嗰啲 treat 又食，
嗰啲唔係出嚟嘅，頭先係 catnip 嚟㗎。
食完又食，一聽咧唔知有好唔好俾佢食啊？咁細個 OK，搞錯咧 OK。嗰個 catnip is OK for 3 weeks old kiwi OK，跟住食埋佢 OK。